Oh, hey. How you guys doing? Welcome to the testing lab. This is where we test everything. Cameras galore. We have over 1,000 cameras that we can check into from our customers up north and all around the country. But we love it here in Sierra Vista. It's beautiful. And you guys just keep taking advantage of this $150 special. I appreciate that. You can see the quality. Unbelievable. You can see the angle here. The testing lab allows me to do anything and everything that I want to do with the cameras before I deploy it. This particular camera I tested for 4 months in Virginia Beach. So happy holidays from Be Secure, Arizona. The team and all of us, we just want to say thanks, man. All you guys just keep calm, and I'm okay with that. Securing your property is what makes me happy. Thank you so much. And Porch Bandits, I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you. I heard you guys are stealing packages out here. Not anymore. I got you at 100 feet before you even hit the door. Oh, hey, guys. Hey. Just reading in the dark, you know, since we have such good night vision with this new $150 special we're running. Just kidding. Can you see the smile? I think you can. But what I want to tell you is that $150, the special, since somebody asked, is you got 100-foot night vision, HD sound, and you can see everything in the dark. The projection of the IR is just magnificent. I mean, look at the computers, the screens. Look at the paper I was reading. So these porch bandits you guys have been calling around here, I got something for them. So if you come around here on these porches and you got one of my cameras, I guarantee you we're going to catch you. So if you come around here in Arizona, Sierra Vista, place that I love, and you try and steal some packages racked up, I'm going to make sure that our cameras catch you. So thank you guys for taking advantage of the special. I'm completely out until the January 6th, which is my wife's birthday. So on that birthday day, we might be off. Until then, much love, Happy New Year, and thanks for just opening your arms to them and just helping us grow in a matter of weeks. So, as you can see, this is what you get, and you're hearing it too. Thank you for keeping it local.